What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on some nerdy superhero stuff. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new NECA Toys Batman 1989 Utility Belt Bundle. Alright, so this is a brand new product. It just came out. I had pre-ordered it and it came in, so I wanted to do a video on it. So this is the Batman Utility Belt Replica set, the bundle. So this is how it comes packaged here. Included is a Batarang, which is actually the same exact Batarang that you can buy separately that they've been selling for the past year or two. So now I have about 3 of these suckers, but this is the same Batarang that is sold separately. So you will get another one of those. And then this is your utility belt box here, which also has your grapnel launcher in it. So you can see here, let's get this sucker opened up. All right, so I haven't even opened this thing yet. I was excited, but let's see now how she comes packaged up. Alrighty. So here we have the grapnel launcher on top, and you take this off, dun, 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 which reveals your utility belt and all of the cool little gadgets that it comes with. So it has your communicator and then all of the pods here that are going to go in the belt. All right, so first up we have the belt here. So push that button, it will come apart, and then it looks like the back expands. It's around 30 inches. They say it goes down, I don't know, 50, give or take. So that'll expand. The whole thing is, I mean, it's pretty much cheap plastic. It's really no different than a utility belt toy that they make for the 6-year-olds that you can buy in the toy store. They've just never really made an accurate 1989 one, so now they did. It's a little bit more sturdy than that, but still, it's I mean, it's all plastic. It's not like the ones that you can get from DC Direct that's really good quality, or that one over there. So it's still much lower quality, pretty much like all of the NECA products, unfortunately, that are, you know, pretty cheap plastic. They have a lot of paint imperfections and issues with them and things like that, but overall it's cool. Like, if you can make it out here, there's some mark on this already, and it's, I mean, brand new. You saw me take it out of the box, so definitely not perfect. There's marks and imperfections, but it is what it is. I think for the $135 price point, it is very, very expensive. It's cool, it's a novelty. I wanted it because I love the 1989 movie, but it's definitely overpriced. No doubt about it, and I would like them to step up their quality a little bit more. But aside from that, now here on the right side there is the it's just clips on, and that has like the little computer stuff in there and all this here. So this is actually pretty nice. This is all painted and engraved in. This is just a little sticker, which you can see is almost ready to peel off already. So, but this part is done nicely, and then this pops right back on. And on the left side, if you pop off that one, you have these guys here. So these parts are actually pretty nice. They're all painted in there, so no stickers on that one. So now put the belt back together. Now we'll look over the accessories that it comes with. So there's a lot of cool options. This is honestly probably my favorite part of it, how they do this. So you have, I think this one is a torch. This one is the gas pellets. This is the micro camera. And then you have your scanner. And these are little darts. They're the taser, actually. And then you have these ones right here, which is the rebreather. And here are your couple smoke bombs. Then this is the communicator. So what's neat about this is they made this piece magnetic. So the magnet is only on the front left and the front right of the belt. So you can't put anything on the sides or the back. They're not magnetic, just these parts are. So you have the communicator that can go there, as well as the Batarang, I believe, will adhere to this. And then you have the grapnel gun. So let's take a couple of these out so we can see it. So for example, now these, they'll just slide in and nothing keeps them in. So you can see if you were actually going to use this for cosplay, you know, if you bend down or something, these things are just going to pop right out. They do not secure. But, you know, it looks great. You know, it's a neat piece. As you can see again, you know, they just slide right in. But we'll put 4 of them in to get the full look. Ooh. Well, that's not good. Huh. Interesting. Okay. So it looks like there's a casting imperfection in there, and it's making this one have a hard time going in there. So, again, like I said, the quality is just really not very good. It's not even comparable to those DC Direct and other prop replicas and expensive utility belts you can get. So that's how it looks now with all the little pods in there. And that is pretty much the belt in a nutshell. But overall, I mean, on your shelf, it's going to look really good. But it is substantially smaller as well. So if you compare it here to the DC Direct one, I mean, you can see there's a big difference. So, but the last piece then to address is we're going to have the Grapnel Launcher. Now, I already have the one that NECA offers, which is right here. Now, this one is battery operated, as you see from the top, and it shoots out the grapnel or the dart, whatever you'd like to call it. Now, this one looks like it's different. So this one is magnetic. I think this will stick to this one too, unless I'm correct. There you go. All right. So this one will also stick onto the belt like that if you want. And this one is 2 pieces, and it will not shoot the dart. So at least with this one, if you did spend the money on the other grapnel launcher, you don't have to feel like you wasted it, because at least this one is a little bit different, where the Batarangs are the same. So, I mean, there you go. So that's your grapnel launcher. You can see the paint on this one is actually better than the other model that I have. So again, just, you know, really cheap, you know, cheap, thin plastic. You're not getting, you know, anything special, but it makes for, you know, a neat piece. So, you know, if you want to set it up like that, and you can put the Batarang right there, and you'll have everything on there. So, overall, one thing I do wish that they included with this would be a legitimate display stand. So, like I said, with these, you can see this one comes with plexiglass and a nice base. This one, no plexiglass, but it comes with, you know, a really nice base. This is all you have, you know, the super, super thin. This piece is actually the nicest part of it, but I don't think the belt really fits on it, unless I guess you want to do it like that. You can. Looks okay, I guess. But then you don't have all the cool accessories, which honestly to me is the nicest looking part. So really, if you want to keep the belt here, you can't have any of the magnetic stuff on it. So then the belt is there, but now there's no way really to display the grapnel launcher and the Batarang along with it. So not really too sure how I want to display it, but it would be nice if it came with a stand, or even if they offered it for an additional cost. Honestly, I'd pay for it just to give it, you know, a cool way to display it. So that is my review in a nutshell. Again, I mean, I do like the piece. I think it's cool to finally have an 89 belt. I just wish that the quality was a little bit better. Me personally, rather than $135, I'd rather pay $200 or $250 and have one that's made of good quality and it really looks good. And, you know, things like this, there's not casting imperfections, and, you know, they'll actually stay in there and things like that. But this is what we were dealt with so far. So overall, you know, I'd give it probably, I don't know, a 7 out of 10. You know, I recommend it to you as long as you feel that it is worth the money. But I just wanted you to know what you're getting, and let me know what you guys think and if you purchased one yourself. And thanks for watching.